I used to cycle a lot, so
हाँ, तो
probably
ठीक है
that's how
अभी।
I. नहीं, but that wasn't intentional कि मुझे स्पोर्ट करना है.
हाँ।
I was in a residential university,
हाँ।
तो हॉस्टल से कॉलेज जाने के लिए साइकिल ही चलाना
साइकिल
अलाउड था.
चलाना है बाय डिफॉल्ट करना है, ओके समझा।
बट उसके अलावा
नहीं है।
नो आई डोंट. दैट विल साउंड वेरी बोरिंग ना, बट आई डोंट वॉच टीवी.
रियली?
बिफोर दुबई बैंड प्लास्टिक, आई बैंड प्लास्टिक इन माई होम.
Really?
मेरे घर में कोई प्लास्टिक नहीं है. आई एम वेरी वेरी कॉन्शियस कि हमारा जो वेस्ट डिस्पोजल है वो एक पैक से ज़्यादा ना हो, तो हमारा कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कम रहेगा. वी ट्राई नॉट टू बाय प्लास्टिक एंड वी सी. जहाँ पे भी छोटा छोटा प्लास्टिक देख रही होती हूँ ना, सो मच सो कि मुझे एक पॉइंट ऐसा आया था कि मुझे लग रहा था ये सारा लेगो भी प्लास्टिक है. माई सन हैव दिस मच ऑफ लेगो एंड ही वाज लाइक इसको मत देखो प्लीज.
इसको मत देखो। Hi everyone, I'm Aisha Sheikh. Welcome to my podcast Chai Shai with Aisha, powered by Proka Studio Dubai in association with AMG Digitech Solution, your one-stop solution for all your printing, designing and digital marketing needs. And special shout out to our travel partner Takeoff Tours. Today I have the most beautiful nutritionist and dietitian here, the founder of Beyond Scale, Miss Soumya. Da-da-da-da-da. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that
बहुत
lovely
chill-
introduction.
बहुत chill dude हो आज आप. We don't really get to see. She's very professional. हाँ, sure, yeah. Okay. आज you are having the best of the smiles. I'm loving it already. So मुझे बताओ, एक डाइटिशियन यहाँ पे बैठी है, आज मेरे को इतनी सारी गालियाँ पड़ेगी मेरे डाइट के ऊपर. आपको पता है मैं ज़्यादा चीनी लेती हूँ वैसे.
हाँ पता
आपको
है ना.
इनको पता है. जंक भी ज़्यादा खाती हूँ मैं. हाँ, बट लोगों का प्यार उसको कॉम्पेंसेट करता है. मैं ऐसे पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से रह रही हूँ. अच्छी बात है वो.
पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से रहना अच्छी बात है. उसके पहले वाला जो है ना, वो मुझे उसके लिए यू नीड मी.
She's going to get her kid now. But what got you into this industry? Why fitness and health and health का industry में क्यों आना था आपको?
अच्छा, okay, so I think 50% of it probably my destiny. I ended up here, but I think my seeds were sown long ago when I was a small child. My grandfather was so much into health and this mindfulness, meditation, pranayam. So from a very early age I saw him doing all this, whatever these days we look around and see in social media. I've seen him doing everything in person, like circadian rhythm के हिसाब से, so cute हो, और eat like this, eat seasonal, eat local, know your portions, and doing his yoga. So I think he was a great influence on me, and I always felt कि I want to get deeper into it. So yeah, and then as luck would have it, I ended up here. But then yeah, and I also saw him. He lived up to 100 years. And
Mashallah, 100 years.
yes.
Dadu
So
is?
yeah, my grandfather. So I mean, then I knew that this works. ऐसा नहीं है कि it is not about immediate gratification. It is about walking the talk. I also try as much as I can to do whatever he was doing, but I think I'm just 70% of what he used to do. But yes, because I saw him leading a very healthy life, and even in his old age he wasn't dependent. He was an independent old man.
Wow.
Yeah, so aging is inevitable, but getting old and getting dysfunctional और एज रिलेटेड ट्रबल्स जो होते हैं वो अवॉइड किए जा सकते हैं if you take care of yourself. So yeah, that's how. But I think 50%, like everybody else, started on something, wanted to be a doctor, and then I thought the next best thing is this. So yeah.
तो ये I think obviously you must have got influenced by your grandfather. जैसे मेरे नाना नानी भी है, they are also same like him. They have amazing lifestyle, and मेरे जैसे लोग जो इंस्पिरेशन लेके कर सकते थे लेकिन किया नहीं. So I think you already have that inbuilt in you, I believe.
Yes,
so आपने
because
किया वो.
somehow why something happens to a human body, that's very intriguing to my mind.
See?
मुझे बहुत intrigue करता है. Like if the moment you tell me that I'm lactose intolerant, तो मेरा नेक्स्ट आई डोंट टेक इट लाइक दैट. मैं सोचने लगती हूँ क्यों हुआ, आर यू इंटॉलरेंट और एलर्जिक, बिकॉज देयर इज अ पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन इंटॉलरेंट एंड एलर्जिक. फिर अगर तो ह्यूमन बॉडी बेसिकली मुझे बहुत इंट्रीग करती है. आई वॉन्टेड टू बी अ डॉक्टर, बट देन इट्स टू कट द लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ओके इफ आई कांट डू दिस देन द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन वॉज टू बी डेंटिस्ट एंड ऑल दैट. एंड मुझे लगा कि आई डोंट वांट टू डू ऑल दिस, एंड आई started pursuing nutrition from my bachelor's day. So bachelor days, so I have done it from a very well reputed ICR ka university, Pandaka University se I have done my graduation. So when I did internship, mera honors tha foods and nutrition, and when I did internship for 6 months, that I think became the game changer. Then I was very clear in my head that this is what I want to do. And I think some 15-16 years back when I landed in Dubai, that's when India में इतना कुछ licensing का था नहीं. When I came here, then I realized, okay, I need to clear the DHA license, got my DHA license, got the job in one of the most reputed wellness company, and I worked there, and then one from there to another and to another. So I have worked as a licensed dietitian for almost 15 years.
Wow.
So I have a lot of experience now. And a lot of time, see, nutrition for me, it's everything. When I work, I don't feel like I'm working,
Because it's your passion.
It's my passion. It's my passion, and I always very strongly feel why people relate a dietitian only for weight loss. Like people would reach out to you only when they want to lose weight, or people have, sometimes I've seen people are having expectation, oh, she's a dietitian, she should only be 50 kg. But no, first of all, as a dietitian I can help you in so many more ways than just achieving a weight loss goal.
Yeah.
That's one, because I'm qualified to do more than that. And then
What is it?
Yes, I'm qualified to do more than that.
So I'm 45 सुनाई दिया मेरे को.
So I'm a certified diabetic educator. I'm also a certified sports nutritionist from Gulf Medical University, Ajman. I'm also a nutrigenomic counselor. और अभी recently I have done a cognitive behavior therapist, which is again certified by KHDA Dubai. तो
Did you leave anything by any chance?
Yeah. There's a lot more to be done.
There's a lot more.
There's
बस
lot.
थोड़ी चीजें करी
There's a lot to be achieved. But yeah, मुझे because I always felt I can help in so many ways.
Yeah.
Whether it's your clinical health issue, you have diabetes, you have PCOS, you have allergies, intolerance. Sometimes housewives come to me and they say, you know what, it's not about losing weight. That I know if I follow certain diet, I will, or I join a gym or some trainer, I can. In fact, most of them come to me when they've done all of it. वो सभी कुछ करके दोबारा बाउंस बैक हो जाता है, राइट? देन दे कम बैक टू मी. वाई? बिकॉज आई पुट देम ऑन अ सस्टेनेबल पैटर्न, समथिंग दैट वर्क्स फॉर देम, something that they can do even when they finish my program. And we work we work on the fact that I need to work on your energy level, I need to work on your gut health, irrespective of what program you have chosen. I want, whenever somebody finishes the program, I want to leave them on a note that, oh, I can eat anything, but I know what is the right portion for myself.
Yeah.
My skin and hair has become beautiful and better than what it was. And I'm very comfortable with what I'm doing. So that's something I aim to do. Yeah, so.
Amazing. पूरे मेरे 500 क्वेश्चन इन्होंने आंसर कर दिए राउंड 1 में. But that was so good. Mashallah, I'm so happy that you're here, and each day you're learning. You're just like learning never stops.
Learning
and
never
you're just
stops.
getting
And
better and
every
better.
client that you get, that experience enriches you
Actually.
as a dietitian, because human body is very complex. तो जैसे आपने बोला ना, अभी क्या बचा है, अभी बहुत कुछ बचा है.
And the way you look after your clients, I'm one now. अभी होने वाली हूँ. मैंने just बोला उनको ये तकलीफ हो रही है, तब से she's like behind कि आयशा मेरे को रिपोर्ट्स दिखाओ, I'll help you out. Let's fix this. And that is what
How I wish.
good job, that is what I wanted to see, how you look after your client, because I've not really seen you with your clients. या आपके clients के पास मैंने बाहर वालों से मैंने रिव्यू सुने हैं, but अपने सर्कल में मैंने इतना देखा नहीं है. So I'll be your first. Wow.
Be
Miss
glad.
Somi, yes. client Aisha Sheikh.
I'll be glad.
Next one. So, what does this Beyond Scale do?
So at Beyond Scale, we have two verticals. One wherein we do school nutrition program, like we go to school and we do workshop for children. Like school में प्री एथलीट्स होते हैं जो आगे चल के हमारे फ्यूचर एथलीट बनेंगे या जो एथलीट्स स्कूल लेवल पे खेल रहे हैं. तो मैंने कैसे ऑब्जर्व किया, it started in pandemic that people some of the mothers came to me and said ki you know what, he was playing very well but because of this pandemic ye break aaya, now he's not able to pick up.
Okay.
और किसी ने बोला कि नहीं, my child was playing very well but when he started post pandemic उसका स्टेमिना उतना नहीं है and now he's dropping out of the sports. तो that's when I felt it's a need to address ये वाला segment कोई address नहीं करा. So I did a small workshop in a football academy near my home and it was received very well and I got so many parents reaching out to me and then one of the parent was, it so happened कि उसमें से एक parent rep का representative था school GEMS में and then again they recommended me in school and school invited me to do the school workshop. So in school nutrition workshop we basically do it for children who are in growing years or pre-athletes or girl who are either on the onset of menarche या already उनके periods start हो गए हैं और उनको nutritional और health का issues start हो गया है. तो हम वहीं पे address करके उनके आगे के prevention को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं, मतलब आगे की हेल्थ के बेस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं. तो एक तो ये करते हैं. दूसरा हम कॉर्पोरेट वेलनेस प्रोग्राम करते हैं जिसको हम वाओ लाइफ कहते हैं. सो वी डू कॉर्पोरेट वेलनेस प्रोग्राम वेयर इन वी कोलैबोरेट विद डिफरेंट स्पेशलिटीज लाइक NLP practitioners, yoga, zumba, and we create a very nice program wherein we go in their premises और हम body composition analysis करते हैं, उनको proper report बना के एक booklet देते हैं. प्लस जिनके जो भी स्पेशलिटी के साथ हमने कोलैबोरेट किया होता है उनका एक सेशन करते हैं. देन वी डू टॉक्स, वी प्ले गेम्स, क्विजेज,
एकदम फन वाला.
या सो इट डजंट फील लाइक सेमिनार और ऐसा बैठ के लेक्चर देने वाला सेशन. वी डू फन वर्कशॉप्स एंड yeah, so that's what we do in various clubs and corporates. And then I do one-on-one consultation, which is what I love the most, wherein I take clients based on their requirement and beyond scale because I think beyond your weight loss goals, your health.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
I got that. Okay. तो हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे हैं, so we'll have to be फटाफट कर लेंगे, तो हम crispy करते हैं हम. Okay. Besides your grandfather, is there anyone else who inspires you?
I think he inspires me the most. Plus my parents, especially my mom. She has this vision of me opening my clinic sometime.
Inshallah, let's manifest it together.
Yeah, let's manifest it together. So I think my mom and I don't know, more than me, it's her dream for me to open up something and work hard towards it. But then also I feel like I said, nutrition is my passion, so this fuels me.
Yeah.
I dread a day wherein I'll wake up and I'll not have a follow-up to do for my client. I just love it when I wake up and I have 10 follow-ups lined up. Somebody is in US, somebody is in Canada, and रात में follow-up करके सोए. And अदर्स में थिंक ये क्या लाइफ है, रात में भी फ़ोन पे थी, सुबह उठते साथ फिर ये 1 hour I'll close everything and I'll just sit in my room and do my follow-up and then I come out.
Yeah.
So, but that's my passion. I love it. I love to start and I dread a day कि मैं सुबह उठूँ और मेरे पास काम ना हो. So I love it.
We cannot survive without that.
Yeah.
काम चाहिए अपने
मुझे
को.
so I think more
Because
than
we love
anything
that.
else, nutrition is my passion. I love it. My team, I have a small team and these guys, they keep telling me, why do you do all the follow-ups? Why do you give them your WhatsApp number? And I'm like, nahi, I like to be in touch. I don't want them to come to me via you. So for first 3 weeks when somebody joins our program, I'm the one who's answering all the WhatsApp.
Wow.
So yeah, so I think it has to be my mom, and after that I think this is my passion. I live for it.
2025 में खुद का clinic, inshallah.
Fingers crossed.
Okay. So, were you always motivated to be part of this health and fitness industry? Yes, you said, बचपन से you were.
बचपन से, and like I said, somehow human physiology intrigues me.
Okay.
Like अगर कोई भी somebody vomiting, I will start thinking in my head, what is the history, क्यों हुआ, कैसे खाया, like I am like intrigued by human physiology.
No,
Fascinates
एकदम.
me too. हाँ, कि मैं कितना पढ़ लूँ, कितना research देख लूँ, and I always, every time when I find something new, I'm like, wow, I didn't knew this, and I love reading. If I have all the time in the world, I think I'll only study and read and
Wow.
do research. I'll not do anything else.
हम Netflix देखेंगे.
So my son calls me nerdy. He says you're boring.
वो तो boring नहीं है, but being nerdy is good.
He calls me. He says you're too nerdy, and he's a lot into sports. So he keeps telling me, I think you never played while growing up. I said, yeah, I never played while growing up. And actually, I never played while growing up. Yeah, I don't remember myself doing any outdoor sport except for running and walks. And I used to cycle a lot. So probably that's how I. नहीं, but that wasn't intentional कि मुझे sport करना है. I was in a residential university, तो hostel से college जाने के लिए साइकिल ही चलाना allowed था.
By default करना है, okay, समझा.
But उसके अलावा
नहीं है.
No, I don't. That will sound very boring ना, but I don't watch TV.
Really?
unless मुझे इंस्टा पे रील ना डालना हो तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता ट्रेंडिंग गाना क्या है.
ट्रेंडिंग, आई नो, वो अभी मेरा हाल है. लाइक मेरी टीम ढूंढ रही थी, अभी मैं ट्रेंड को छोड़ दिया. मैंने बोला ट्रेंडिंग भी नहीं चाहिए, जो म्यूजिक पकड़ते तुमको यूट्यूब में मिलता है लगा दो पीछे करके. तो इट्स फाइन.
इवन आई हैव अ टीम, सो दिस गाइज नेम इज मुबलिक. तो मुबलिक कहता है कि कुछ पता भी है आपको? आपको कुछ नहीं पता. द अदर डे ही सेंड मी किसका, तो उसने मुझे मीम बना के दिया कि इसका मीम करेंगे तो हमारा इंस्टा का रीच अच्छा बढ़ेगा. somebody कुछ तो था.
यू शुड ट्राई दैट.
So I'm nerdy. I like reading books. एक तो काम से रिलेटेड किताब पढ़ना, देन मेरा अच्छा टाइम पास है कि अगर मुझे कोई अच्छी किताब मिल जाए.
Okay.
तो yeah,
that is how you balance.
That is how. And then the
it's
other
a good habit.
So and the other passion I have is रिसाइकलिंग. मैं कंपोस्टिंग करती हूँ. मैं बैल्कनी में कर रही थी अपने, मेरे हस्बैंड चिल्लाने लगे क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा स्मेल आने लगा था. ही सेड मैं कंपोस्ट बिन और तुम्हें दोनों को बाहर रख के आऊँगा. So now I've moved it to, so where I stay in our building, there's a huge garden area downstairs.
Okay.
So, but then I've convinced the management somehow. So I'm having a small composting pit in the garden area.
Wow.
Yes, and I have taught my son and daughter to compost.
भाई साहब, इनको डेडिकेशन अलग लेवल का चल रहा है.
Yeah, so I love recycling and composting. That's my another passion. I'm very, very sustainability and environment conscious. इतना कि ना मुझे before Dubai banned plastic, I banned plastic in my home.
Really?
मेरे घर में कोई प्लास्टिक नहीं है. I'm very, very conscious कि हमारा जो वेस्ट डिस्पोजल है वो एक पैक से ज़्यादा ना हो, तो हमारा कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कम रहेगा. So that's the next passion, and it's not for this podcast कि यहाँ आई हूँ तो बोल रही हूँ. This is something I practice every single day in my life. As much as possible, we try not to buy plastic, and we see, मैं जहाँ पे भी छोटा छोटा प्लास्टिक देख रही होती हूँ ना, so much so कि मुझे एक पॉइंट ऐसा आया था कि मुझे लग रहा था ये सारा लेगो भी प्लास्टिक है. My son have this much of Lego and he was like इसको मत देखो please.
इसको मत देखो. I know, but इतने diligently मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा करते हुए. You know,
no,
I have
we
many
all
friends
should.
who do that.
We are not very far from the time जहाँ पे we will start buying soil.
I know.
We are already buying plantation करने के लिए घर पे हम soil ला रहे हैं. But the quality of soil is being ruined every single day, and that's posing threat to our environment.
Yeah.
So I'm very, very environment conscious. मैं sustainability और recycling, that's my another
That's
passion.
inspiring me now.
That's
I'm going to follow your
another
footsteps as
passion,
well.
yeah.
Like I used to do, but there's no consistency in the work I do.
No, but
I should. Yeah.
We should. We all should.
We
and
all
if there
should.
is one person I learned it from my neighbor. She was little elder to me, but and she was working for this, if you've heard of this place called Mustela. They are into childcare products like Johnson and Johnson. So it started from her. I saw her doing everything sustainable. Like Dubai municipality has created these bins, color coded bins for plastic waste, glass waste, and nobody uses it. It's empty. But I used to see this neighbor of mine, she used to pack 3 different bags, get into her car and go and dispose accordingly. So I used to laugh, and that was the time I was working for this place called Dr. Batra. So मैं वापस आ रही होती थी, and I used to see her doing this because we stay very close to community park. So I used to see her doing this and I used to like, what are you doing? Then she used to tell me कि देखो मैं ऐसे ऐसे से करके करती हूँ. तो पहले मुझे लगा था इसके पास बहुत टाइम है, मेरे पास तो टाइम
नहीं है. हाँ.
But then slowly and gradually I realized that sustainability is so important.
Yes, it is.
And we all owe it to environment. Look at Delhi now. It's become a gas chamber. So it's individual's responsibility. The least you could do is use less plastic, waste less. See to it that the daily garbage that goes out from your home shouldn't be an unnecessary amount of paper and plastics. We are just mindlessly throwing in.
Yeah.
So that is the another passion. That's another passion. So there are 3 passions in life. One is nutrition, which is my not only bread and butter, it's my life and soul, it's everything. I live for it, okay? Number 2 is books. I can read anything. The last book I read was I found a lighthouse. It's by Shantanu Naidu.
Yeah.
तो शांतनु नायडू ने अपना जो टाइम था उनका रतन टाटा के साथ, उस पर एक बुक लिखी है, I came upon a lighthouse. Yes. तो you should read that book.
I want to know.
If I like a book, then no matter how many pages it has, I'll finish it in maximum in 2 days. सब चिल्लाते रहेंगे मेरे घर पे, मेरे हस्बैंड बोलेंगे एग्जाम नहीं देना है तुझे इसका. But yeah, so that was the last book I read. So second is books and third is this sustainability.
Amazing. What made you move to Dubai, by the way?
I got married. I got married, found my husband here.
You found him here?
No, I mean, we found him back in India, but he was already here. So I had to come here. I even didn't have a passport before I was engaged.
Wow, me too. Okay, so now you've worked with multiple clinics and wellness centers, right? So how was your experience there?
Amazing. Great exposure.
Is it?
I have learned through the journey, and I think that's what makes me different from others, because I have very, very enriching experience dealing with different nationalities, different clientele, different eating habits, people living different kind of lifestyle. I think वो exposure कहीं और नहीं हो सकता था, वो सिर्फ दुबई में हो सकता है.
And from starting a Facebook page to being the founder of Beyond Scale, how do you feel about it?
I feel I've just started.
You feel you've just started?
Just started.
एक नया milestone.
It feels like a small milestone, like a big part, small part of a big dream. ऐसा लगता है. But I feel I've just started.
Okay, and see, when you are a nutritionist or a dietitian, you work a lot around the food. You curate menus and all for your clients, right? Now, you being an Indian, how is it possible for you to deal with the other nationalities?
Actually, 2-3 चीज़ें हैं उसमें. एक तो ये कि because when you study nutrition, you study you don't study menus, you study the diet, you study the component that make a wholesome diet. तो एक तो वो education अगर आपका solid है तो that helps. Number 2 is because I've had so much of exposure of working with different people and different nationalities, that helps. Third, in between, for a small, I wouldn't say small, but yeah, for almost 2 years I was working for this Lebanese catering company who were delivering calorie counted meals to a certain nationalities. So that was a great exposure.
Okay.
I learned a lot about nitty-gritties of this Mediterranean and Arabic diet. So yeah, I think these 3 things helps a lot. Yeah.
So ये बेहतर है ना, experience से ज़्यादा हम लोग सीखते हैं.
Yeah, because I mean you can watch YouTube videos on cooking all day, but if you have never cooked, you will still fail at that recipe.
That's true. Now ये बात बताओ मेरे को, is it true that clinical dietitians जो हैं, they're only specialized in weight loss? Are they?
No, that's the myth. That's the myth. if you actually get a qualified clinical dietitian, she can help you in reversing your diabetes, managing your PCOS, your skin and health issues. She can also help you in a lot of things. She can help you actually in everything.
Everything.
Yeah. She a good clinical
सर्जरी छोड़ के बाकी सब कर
हाँ,
सकते हैं.
any invasive treatment, that's not dietitian's forte. But whether you are postpartum or you are recovering from a surgery, in fact, people doing bariatric surgery and then they need a very good nutritionist after bariatric surgery, because otherwise it's a research proven that 40% of people who undergo bariatric surgery, which is weight loss surgery, they start gaining weight after 3 months of surgery if they have not consulted the right kind of dietitian.
Oh,
Yeah. So
ouch. Got it. Now, what is this sports nutrition all about? पहले तो नहीं था इसके बारे में जिक्र. There's something new about it.
okay, so I think sports nutrition was always there. I think in our part of world we have just woken
Yeah.
up to it after we saw legends like Virat Kohli and Sania Mirza doing so well in
Yeah,
their
and I heard it from
respective.
you, by the way, like because you said that you are into sports, and I mean, like you are not in sports, but you are into sports nutrition. So I
Yeah,
was like,
so I'm
what is
even
this?
having these days this girl called Agrima Singh. She's a national level badminton player back home in India. She's my client these days.
Wow.
So okay, so sports nutrition, because जब आप स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं तो आप अपनी जो नॉर्मल ह्यूमन लिमिट्स हैं उसको इन्हांस कर रहे हैं और उसके ऊपर स्टेक लेके आप सर्टेन एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, एंड व्हेन यू गेट बेटर एट दैट योर स्पोर्ट्स गेट बेटर, राइट? सो हाउ विल यू गेट बेटर एट, हाउ कैन यू utilize your body's potential to maximum? Sports nutrition tells you that it helps you in preventing injury, recovering from an injury if there has been any, how to eat in a certain way so that आपका वो जो भी, जैसे मैं, like I said, I'm working with a badminton player, so the game may only be for 30 minutes to 90 minutes depending on what set she's playing, but how does she maintain her energy level, what she eats in between, how she manages herself between two sporting event, that is the game changer for her, and her game is getting better. And also because she's a girl she's a 13-year-old girl, so she's in a growth spurt, so we also have to see to it that we cannot give her supplement. Most of her diet comes from the natural food, but at the same time not compromising on her growth, because if we compromise on her growth and उसका strength और stamina effect होगा, फिर वो उसका game effect होगा. So sports nutrition is basically something that helps athlete to maximize its potential to play the sport.
And the gym जाने वाले सारे?
हाँ, सो जिम न्यूट्रिशन और स्पोर्ट न्यूट्रिशन दो अलग चीज़ है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जब हम जिम जाते हैं तो मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि अपना गोल डिफाइन कर लेना चाहिए. जिम इज़, अगर सिर्फ योर वेट गोल इज़ ओनली टू लूज वेट, देन कार्डियो इज़ इनफ.
Okay.
वो अलग बात है कि वो बैलेंस नहीं है. बट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू जिम एंड यू आर डूइंग स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग, आप कितना स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करते हो, कितना वेट लिफ्ट करते हो और कितना कार्डियो करते हो, और उसके बाद आप पूरे दिन में कितना एक्टिव रहते हो, उसके बेसिस पे आपका डाइट प्लान होता है.
Okay.
एंड इफ़ यू आर एक्चुअली इन टू डेड लिफ्ट एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, तो आपका प्रोटीन इनटेक को कैलकुलेट करके फाइन ट्यून करना चाहिए. नॉट नेसेसरी हर किसी को सप्लीमेंट लेना है, बट देन इफ़ यू फाइन ट्यून योर प्रोटीन इनटेक, देन इट विल वर्क बेटर.
Okay, because ये इतने बड़े बड़े डब्बे लेके रहते हैं प्रोटीन वाले.
हाँ, सो इसके ऊपर तो हम पूरा एक पॉडकास्ट कर
पूरा
सकते हैं.
पॉडकास्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके.
लेकिन प्रोटीन सबको लेना, जैसे आज सुबह ही मैं, एक मेरे पीसीओएस क्लाइंट है, शी सेड, तो उसने शी जस्ट स्टार्टेड विद मी एंड शी सेड, यू डिडंट सेड एनीथिंग अबाउट जिम, यू डिडंट सेड एनीथिंग अबाउट माय वे प्रोटीन. आई सेड जस्ट हैंग इन देयर 3 weeks तक, जस्ट गेट इनटू रूटीन व्हाट आई हैव सेड, वी विल स्टार्ट ऑल दैट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली. सो सबको, हर किसी को प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हर किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा जिम भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट वेट ट्रेनिंग सबको करनी चाहिए.
Okay.
वेदर यू आर अ हाउस वाइफ, वेदर यू आर ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट, वेदर यू आर ओवर वेट, अंडर वेट, ओबीज, वीक में 2 दिन स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग सबको करनी चाहिए. उससे मसल एंड बोन का जो फ्रेमवर्क है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, एंड एज वी गो थ्रू एज वी मेक श्योर कि हमारा बोन डेंसिटी कम ना हो.
Oh. Okay.
Because after 30 years of age, we are losing around 5 to 10% of muscle mass every year. The only way to stop it is to do strength training.
Okay, that's new. Okay, we move forward to the next segment. A lot of celebrities do, and my friends do this keto diet. Is it really helpful?
If you have a goal wherein you need to lose 10 kg in 3 weeks, then keto is helpful.
Okay.
But keto is not something that you can sustain.
What is keto?
So keto is basically, when we were studying almost 15 years back, so we used to do keto only for certain clinical cases wherein carbohydrate metabolism was not good. So people undergoing certain kind of surgeries and epilepsy और ये सब के लिए keto करते थे. अभी keto has become one of the tool for weight loss. So keto is basically fat and protein and less than 15% of carbohydrates.
Oh, carbohydrates कम होता है keto में. Okay.
So, but then it's not sustainable. I have not seen anyone who has lost weight through keto and have been able to sustain it without any side effect. Most of them do lose weight, but then they bounce back. It's not sustainable. It's not good for your liver and kidney also. And if you still choose to do it for whatever reason, you should do it under the guidance of a qualified person. Don't DIY basically.
We'll come back to that. Okay, and how about this intermittent fasting? Because मेरे को जो issues चल रहे हैं, my doctor also suggested 14 hours का करना है आयशा. I said 12 घंटे, उससे ज़्यादा मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँगी खाना खाए बगैर. So
okay, I need to understand उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों बोला. So I will not comment on her part. But intermittent fasting is not a diet. It's a pattern. It's a way of life.
Okay.
Anybody can do it. Everybody can do it. But then we should not do it as a diet. Intermittent fasting, in fact, does not talk about what you should eat. The only thing intermittent fasting says, you should have a eating window and you should have a fasting window. That fasting window can be 12:12. It can be 14 hours of fasting and 16 hours of eating. It can be 16, 18. मतलब फास्टिंग विंडो क्या होगा और ईटिंग विंडो क्या होगा, वो इंडिविजुअल लाइफस्टाइल. और जैसे आपने बोला कि मैं नहीं 12 घंटे से ज़्यादा कर सकती, मे बी बिकॉज योर काइंड वर्क इज़ लाइक दैट फॉर यू, इजंट इट? यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्लीप एट 8:30.
मैं 6:30 खाना खाती हूँ.
हाँ, बट देन 6:37. व्हाट टाइम डू यू गो टू बेड?
Late, 11:30.
Aren't you hungry?
I am.
Do you eat then?
कभी कभार, but I try not to because then I feel uncomfortable while sleeping.
हाँ. But then that's not practical. If you are eating at 6:30, you should try and sleep by 9:30, 10.
Oh.
9:30 actually is the ideal. You should sleep by then, okay? That's when intermittent fasting will also help you.
Okay.
So it's basically a way of life. It doesn't say anything about what you eat.
मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट भी वही टाइम पे होता है, सुबह 6:30-7.
हाँ, so then you're doing 12 hours of fasting, which is okay if it works for you, but try and sustain it. The more you do it, more your body will get used to it and you'll get benefited from it. मतलब फ़ायदा भी उतना ही होगा जितना ज़्यादा आप करते जाओगे और आपकी बॉडी ट्रेन हो जाएगी वो करने के लिए, आप उतना बेनिफिट रीप करोगे. पर कुछ लोग ऐसे करते हैं ना, ये वेट लॉस के लिए कर रहे हैं तो अभी ना पूरा दिन कुछ खाएंगे नहीं और बहुत ही लो कार्ब लो कैलोरी डाइट पे रहेंगे, तो हाँ वेट लॉस होगा ना. तो बहुत सिंपल है, कैलोरी डेफिसिट में चले जाओ, कुछ मत खाओ और टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ईटिंग करो तो वेट लॉस तो हो जाएगा. देयर इज़ नो रॉकेट साइंस. बट उसके बाद क्या होगा वो समझना चाहिए और आप कितने दिन ऐसे कर सकते हो वो. सो आई लाइक इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग बट एंड आई ट्राई एंड डू इट एटलीस्ट 2 or 3 days a week. तो जब मुझे लगता है कि जैसे फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे आई थिंक आई एम मोर सॉर्टेड बिकॉज वर्क प्रेशर नहीं है, दिस किड्स का बच्चों का भी नहीं है कि स्कूल भेजना है, तो आई फील कंफर्टेबल एंड आई लाइक इट दैट वे. दैट वर्क्स फॉर मी. इट मे नॉट वर्क फॉर यू. तो जिसको जितना सूट करे उतना करना चाहिए. दैट्स अ बेस्ट थिंग विदाउट हैसल. अगर आप जल्दी खा के वाइंड अप कर सकते हो अपने दिन को, सो यू आर एक्चुअली गिविंग चांस योर बॉडी टू डाइजेस्ट and assimilate whatever you have eaten. So it's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's good thing but should be done in a proper way.
Yeah, मेरा ये it's because बच्चे आ जाते हैं मेरा late, so we have this early dinner. We are done and dusted with all the other things.
Very good.
और फिर बाद में मेरा early morning I have to eat. मेरे को मेरे पेट में जाना चाहिए. So that is how.
So that's how it has to be. You and intermittent fasting should always be in sync with your circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm जो nature का rhythm है, sunrise to sunset. अगर तो you're doing
मेरा वैसे ही हो रहा है.
हाँ, so that's a good way.
एक चीज तो अच्छी हो रही है.
So that's a good thing.
I'm impressed, Miss Soumya.
तो वो अच्छी चीज़ है, ऐसे ही करना चाहिए. But yeah, like people think intermittent fasting is, it's not a diet, it's a pattern, it's a way of living
Life.
your life. If you can do like that, very good. And जितना कर सकते हो उतना करो, and choose it as a way of life. Get used to living like that.
Yeah.
That's the best thing you can do. तो जितना आप जैसे जिस चीज़ की जितनी प्रैक्टिस करो, you get better at it.
Right.
So the more you practice intermittent fasting, you'll get better at it. But then choose something which is sustainable.
हाँ, समझा. Good. We move forward. What is this CBT, by the way?
So CBT is cognitive behavior therapist.
Okay.
तो why CBT? I'll tell you. तो क्या हुआ कि like I said, I've been working for so many years. तो and then from last 6-7 years, I realized everybody is on social media. Everybody is watching reels, Instagram. और ऑलमोस्ट जितने लोग मेरे पास आ रहे हैं सबको सब कुछ पता है. एंड कुछ क्वालिफाइड, कुछ अनक्वालिफाइड, ऐसे न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट से सोशल मीडिया भरा हुआ है. तो पीपल नो एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल दे फेल टू डू इट. एंड देयर आर पीपल हु, अगर आप बोलना शुरू करो तो बोलेंगे हाँ इसके बाद ये करना है ना, ये करना है, मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है, मुझे आता है, डायबिटीज़ है तो ये खा लो, ये, आई मीन दे नो एवरीथिंग अंडर द सन. स्टिल दे आर नॉट सॉर्टेड, स्टिल दे नीड हेल्प. वाई? बिकॉज एक तो लोगों को ये नहीं समझ में आता व्हाट इज़ मेंट फॉर मी इन दिस एरा ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन बम्बार्डमेंट. एक तो ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि मेरे लिए क्या सही है. देयर आर 10 things in the market, but what would work for me? Secondly, इवन ये अगर फिगर आउट भी हो गया कि अच्छा मुझे सूट करा, बट पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू सस्टेन इट. लाइक टुडे इफ आई टेल आयशा, आपको ना सुबह उठ के ये मॉर्निंग रूटीन है, ये ऐसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऐसे फॉलो करना है. Aisha will start all motivated. For first 5 days or 10 days, she will do it, and something will happen, and then she'll lose it.
That's true.
और फिर उसके बाद she'll forget. Then she will never do it, right? तो this is something I started seeing in my clients कि वो 2-3 और लोगों से कंसल्ट कर रहे हैं, या डाइटिशियन नहीं तो 2 डॉक्टर से किया, 1 डाइटिशियन, एंड सब कुछ करने के बाद दे आर स्टिल लुकिंग फॉर अनदर डाइटिशियन बिकॉज दे फील दे आर नॉट एबल टू सस्टेन द चेंजेस दैट हैज़ बीन टोल्ड टू देम. तो मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि ये हाउ टू हैंडल दिस, कि मेरे क्लाइंट जो हैं वो कंप्लायंट रहें एंड दे थिंक ऑफ मी एज देयर अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर रादर देन थिंकिंग ऑफ मी एज सम टीचर जो बैठी है हर वीक पूछेगी कि तुम्हारा वेट लॉस क्यों नहीं हुआ, तुमने डाइट क्यों नहीं फॉलो की, तो तुम क्यों नहीं ये सब कर रहे हो. तो इसके लिए इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम देयर हैज़ टू बी अ वे कि मेरे क्लाइंट्स जो हैं वो मुझे अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर समझें एंड दे रिमेन अकाउंटेबल टू मी रादर देन थिंकिंग ऑफ मी एज देयर टीचर या सम इंस्ट्रक्टर जो पीछे पड़ा है कि ये कर लो. सो अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर बनने के लिए उनकी बिहेवियर, थिंकिंग और वो सर्टेन बिहेवियर में क्यों चले जाते हैं ये समझना होगा. कॉग्निटिव बिहेवियर थेरेपी हेल्प्स इन दैट.
इट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट.
सो मेरे क्लाइंट्स जो होते हैं, हम लोग हमेशा 3 वीक्स के प्लान, मतलब 3 वीक शेड्यूल पे स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड देन वी मेक श्योर कि आप अकाउंटेबल रहो. सो टू मेक देम कंप्लायंट एंड मेक देम मोर कंफर्टेबल कि वो इधर उधर घूमते रहें, एक जगह फोकस करके काम कर लें. दैट्स व्हाई कॉग्निटिव बिहेवियर थेरेपी.
ओके. So, Soumya, I have some myths here which you are supposed to burst.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is a Hyderabadi round where you have 2 flashcards, Sachi and Baigan. Baigan is like no. It's a slang for no. And Sachi is like yes, true.
Okay.
Sahi matlab. Okay, very first one. Dietitians are very strict. They put you on a strict and a boring diet. What is that? You have to say it.
It's baigan. Dietitian add variety to your meals.
Okay.
They actually add lot of variety.
So ये जो बोल रहे हैं ये सभी आलतू फालतू के बातें बोल रहे हैं. Okay.
A right dietitian will add lot of variety to your meal.
Okay. Next one. You don't need a dietitian if you're healthy.
If you're actually healthy, then yeah, why will you need a dietitian? But you'll need a dietitian if you want to remain healthy.
Okay, so both the cards then.
Yeah, so both the cards.
Both the cards. Sachi and Baigan साथ में.
Yes and no.
Okay, next one. Anyone can be a nutritionist.
Not really. You study for at least 5 years, then you go through several exams. That's when you qualify to be a nutritionist. A 3 months course just gives you an idea of what to do and what not to do. But to consult someone,
But I'm an Instagram nutritionist, so
baigan.
बैगन उठा के मेरे मुंह पे फेंकेगी ये. It's like there's a
Since you said only सच्ची और बैगन बोलना है, तो if you're an Instagram nutritionist, बैगन.
हाँ, okay, fine. YouTube nutritionist को चल जाता है.
As long as she's qualified, she can be anywhere.
नहीं, I'm not qualified, but I've seen Google, सब मैंने पढ़ा है वहाँ
और
से.
मैंने खुद का भी 30 kg वेट लॉस किया है,
हाँ.
राइट? सो बैगन.
मैंने खुद का भी 50 किलो वेट लॉस किया है. So
50 बचा भी.
ठीक है, fine. So no one, you need to be qualified to be a nutritionist.
You
Cool.
need to be qualified.
All diets work for everyone.
No, diets are meant to be customized, highly customized to suit your needs, requirement, lifestyle, deficiencies, everything.
Etc. 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 You don't need a nutritionist. You can get some same advice online.
If you think the generic information works for you, then yes, but otherwise you do need a nutritionist.
Oh,
This is
jeez.
bygone.
All right. So we have this question, like in just in case you get this opportunity right now and you want to share this message to the world, कि आखिरी मैसेज सुनो नहीं तो भाड़ में जाओ बोल के, तो कौन सा ऐसा मैसेज रहेगा?
When it comes to health, and you want to seek the right advice, please reach out to the right person rather than self-diagnosing your symptoms on Googles, and now ChatGPT is also there. So please don't Google your symptom. Please don't Google your diet. Please don't Google anything. Reach out to a right qualified person, and then that person will help you to the best of her ability.
Amazing. So that was nice talking to you, Soumya.
Likewise.
And like इतना सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन मेरे को खुद ही मिला, आज जाके मैं सारा इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाली हूँ. और इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला है कि मैं भी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट बन सकती हूँ. इन्फ्लुएंसर आयशा शेख द न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट.
Nutri-influencer.
बियॉन्ड स्किल 2.0 ये होगा मेरी कंपनी का नाम. Okay, jokes apart, but yes, the qualified one is right here. In case you all want to reach out to Miss Soumya, then you have an Instagram ID. Beyond Scale is the Instagram ID.
No, the Insta ID is Nutrition with Soumya.
Oh,
And you
Nutrition
can-
with Soumya.
Yeah, so you can follow us on Nutrition with Soumya both on Facebook and Insta. You can also have a look at our website for the things that we do. That's nutritionwithsoumya.com.
Okay, everything is with Nutrition with Soumya.
Yes.
Beyond Scale से कुछ भी नहीं है.
Beyond Scale is our company's name.
Yeah.
And Nutrition with Soumya is how we started, like
The
a
creator
Facebook
page, okay,
yeah, the
हाँ.
creative page which we started some 5-6 years back.
Okay.
So that had certain amount of reach and audience. We never felt like changing it. So
Okay.
that's why.
Got it.
So Beyond Scale का logo भी ऐसा है. Beyond Scale powered by Nutrition with Soumya.
Yes,
Yeah.
we have seen that. All right, so now our guests know किनके पास जाना है, उनको तकलीफें हो रही है तो आयशा के पास मत आओ. ओके, दोनों साथ में डूबेंगे फिर. All right. So thank you so much everybody for watching us. That's Aisha Sheikh from the podcast Aisha with Aisha. Special thanks to all our partners, Procast Studio Dubai, AMJ Digitech Solutions, your one-stop solution for all your printing, designing and digital marketing needs, and our travel partner Takeoff Tours. That's Aisha Sheikh signing off.